What are scrivenings? Literally, they're writings, and obsolete, according to the Collins Dictionary. But the magic definition isn't? Interesting. Well, scrivenings are still what you have written, but it more specifically refers to a type of view in the application. When you're in a single document, your view menu shows you that you're in a document. However, when you have a folder or multiple documents selected, you enter Scrivenings mode. So Scrivenings is looking at a selection of items in your manuscript. When in Scrivenings mode, you will see all the selected documents in a scrollable format, along with document dividers, which is more like what you would see in Microsoft Word. However, what it doesn't automatically have is your titles, which are usually the titles of the folders in the binder. If you want to see these, go to your View menu and Text Editing. There you will see two options. First, Show Titles in Scrivenings, which will add the titles of every folder and document. And underneath that, Only Scrivenings Titles for Folders. Having both selected will show your fiction manuscript with chapter titles only. If you're writing non-fiction, you might not want to select the folders only option, depending on your setup. What you will get here are the standard display options. You can change these, but remember, these won't affect your compile output. This is just for how you look at the manuscript on the screen. To make changes, go to File, Options and Appearance. Then select Scrivenings. There are 3 tabs. Fonts and colours are pretty self-explanatory. Just make your selection and click Apply. You'll see that title sizes are set to decrease for different levels of the manuscript. One thing to note, however, is that if you're not using the standard theme, going back to default colours probably won't give you what you had originally. Under Options, the separator is simply the style of line that breaks up your scenes or sections, and then you have various other options for the way the titles look. Once you're done, click OK. And that's what Scrivenings are in Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you want to know a little about what collections are, click here.